Hey, Beckett, can you give Carol a kiss? Can you give Carol a kiss? Yeah.
Yay!
Can you kiss her? Can you kiss him?
Watch, honey. Can you kiss?
Can you do it again?
Do it again.
Beckett, can you give her a kiss?
Oh, watch his belly, honey.
Oh, Beckett.
No, you think this is funny.
No, Beckett, that's not funny. We're
This
done.
isn't funny. You two are a little too rough.
Yeah, what are we? Okay.